Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent English with Shekhar. Today, let us test your knowledge of using a, an, and no article in sentences. Choose correct option for each sentence and check your answers at the end. Let's begin. We use article A before consonant sounds. For example, a book, a car. We use an before vowel sounds. For example, an onion, an hour, etc. We use no article before plural or uncountable nouns. For example, I like music. We don't use article before the word music. She drinks water. We don't use article a or an or the before the water because water is uncountable noun. Now fill in the blanks with articles a, an or no article. She bought dash book yesterday. Options are a, an or no article. The answer is A because book is countable noun and also in the word book B is the consonant, so we should use the article A before the word book. She bought a book. Second one, he is dash honest man. Options A, an or no article. Answer is he is an honest man because in the word honest letter H is silent, that's why we have to use the article an. Third one, I saw dash movie yesterday. Option A, an or no article. Answer, I saw a movie yesterday because movie is countable noun. The word movie begins with the letter M, that is consonant, that's why we have to use the article A here. Next one, she is dash engineer. Options A, an, no article. Answer, she is an engineer because the word engineer begins with the vowel letter E. That's why we have to use the article an in this sentence. Next one, he is dash farmer. Options A, an or no article. Answer, he is a farmer because the word farmer begins with the letter F, that is consonant. That's why we should use the article A here. Sixth one, she doesn't eat dash meat. Article A, an or no article. Answer, no article. We should not use the article a, an or the before some foods that are uncountable. Here meat is uncountable noun, so we should not use article here. Seventh one, I want dash ink pot. Options A, an or no article. I want an ink pot because ink pot begins with the vowel letter I. That's why we should use article an in this sentence. Next one, she plays dash saxophone. Options A, an or no article. Answer is no article. We should not use articles before musical instruments. Here saxophone is one of the musical instruments, so we should not use the article before the word saxophone here. Next one, he drinks dash coffee every morning. Options A, an or no article. Answer is no article because here coffee is liquid and uncountable noun, so we should not use article before uncountable noun, that is coffee. Come to last one, Rajat has joined dash union. Options A, an or no article. Answer, Rajat has joined a union. The word union gives YU sound at the beginning. Y is consonant, that's why we should use the article A. A union is the correct answer. Dear learners, comment your score below. How many did you get right out of 10? If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with Shekhar for more grammar boosters. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.